Dark spot making your skin look dull. Today I am sharing a simple DIY face mask with turmeric, coffee, honey and lemon juice. This natural blend fighting dark spots, brighten your skin and leaving it glowing right from your kitchen. So guys, but before starting the video, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. Okay guys, now let's dive into the video. Okay, I have my golden Nescafe. You can use anything that contain coffee. You can use it to make this face mask. If you have dark spot, then this video is for you. Stay tuned and watch to the end. So now guys, after put my coffee into my plate, the next ingredient that I'm adding is my turmeric powder. Actually I did a mistake. Actually I take the one full spoon, but I just took half. That's why I add another half inside, so to make it full one. So after adding this ingredient, the next ingredient that I'm adding is my coconut carrot infusing oil. Okay, that one I'm just adding it as a optional. If you have it, you can add. If you don't have it, don't worry about that part, you can skip that side. So, and after I'm adding my honey also, I added 1 teaspoon all the ingredient. The coffee I added 1 teaspoon, turmeric 1 teaspoon and the honey 1 teaspoon. It's only the oil that I'm not measuring, I just pouring inside. So the next ingredient that I'm going to add, I will add lemon juice, some few drop of lemon juice also. Okay, because please guys, if you don't have patience and you are going to make this face mask, maybe I can advise you for the coffee. First beginning, just put the coffee into your plate or into your bowl or wherever that you are going to prepare this face mask. So, and you add some drop, or yes, just a drop of water into the coffee so that the coffee will melt. After the coffee melts, then you can add your ingredients if you don't have time. But for me, no problem, because mixing it this way also, I'm going to put it down for some few, maybe 10 to 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, that I'll allow it stay before I can apply. That time the coffee, because the coffee is not all that melts, you know, the coffee is still inside, so I have to allow it get melt before I apply it into my face. So those ingredients that I'm adding, I'm showing to you guys the ingredients that I put into this face mask. So that is my turmeric, carrot oil and coffee plus turmeric and my lemon juice also. I'm adding some few drop so you can see how the face look like. That's why I said if you don't have time, you should add some few drop of water, not too much, just some peak of water to make the coffee get melt before. So to apply this into your face, always make sure to wash your face thoroughly. Don't apply this face mask while your face is dirty. Wash your face, because as you guys can see, I even make head mask to myself. I make a head mask. That's why you can see some rubber bag. I use plastic bag to cover my hair. I make a head mask. So the next thing I'm doing now is my face mask, because I'm fighting with something is there disturbing me, which is the dark spots, right? So if you are looking for a way to remove your dark spot, these are the ingredients that you don't need to put single joke of it. Okay, you can find a paper and pen and write it. You see turmeric, coffee, you can buy any coffee that you want or any one that you are drinking in your house, you can use it. I'm drinking golden Nescafe, so anything I'm doing my face mask, that's the one that I'm adding inside. You also can add any one that you are drinking, or you can just, so far it's contained with coffee. Okay, and also your honey, turmeric, that one you have it while you are cooking. Spices, you have those things, and lemon, you can get the lemon and honey and add. The oil is just an option. I added carrot oil, that one is optional. You can add it or you can skip that part. Okay, so let us see, quickly check and see, because turmeric is reducing acne scar and brightening the skin tone. If your skin is not skinning, your face, there is a dark spot, there's something disturbing you and you want to remove it and bright the skin and let the skin glow, these are the ingredients that you don't need to joke with. As I'm using it, I see a change. So if I'm doing something, before I will bring the video out, even I always make sure to test the thing. If I see that there is having different changes for me, then that time I can bring it out for people also to benefit for that. So now let's check and see the benefit of coffee also. Coffee also is removing dull skin, okay, and also boosting circulation, blood circulation to the your skin, to make your skin glow. If you are looking for a glowing skin, I'm been saying this and I'm repeating it because I know what I'm using. Now I finished everything. I put everything in my face and the rest I put on my neck, my ears, as you guys can see how I apply it. So now the best way to wash it off, I'm going to sit for 15 to 20 minutes before go and take my shower. This one, we always make it a small batch, the amount that you are going to use for your face. Okay, don't be scared. Yeah, it's me, it's me. I'm just joking with you people. Don't get scared. Okay. Well, what you have to do, always make small batch and put inside your face. I hope you guys are not scaring. I'm not scaring you people. Yeah, it's me. So you just make small batch and make it. So guys, I'm the one here now. You guys can see that side I'm talking about. That dark spot is disturbing. There's something there disturbing. So what I'm going to use to moisturize my face is my cocoa nut with carrot oil. Sorry, my Johnson baby. This one I use Johnson baby to infuse those carrot oil plus my carrot oil butter. So this butter also, I have the video in my channel, so please try and go and watch it and learn how to make your own product without using any chemicals again. Because sometimes I feel like buying creams, buying body creams, those things sometimes it can also cause you into damage your skin. Why? We don't know. You are using it, you are thinking that it's helping you, not knowing that it's causing you, it's damaging your skin. So now when you are applying into your face, what I always do is I always make sure to have a little bit time, at least 5 to 10 minutes, even if I don't have time, but just get like 5 minutes for your face. Do some massage, okay? Massage your face. Use the oil to massage your face so that the oil will absorb into your skin, okay? Use it to massage your face. See my face, so guys, see how is it? Please, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you have not yet subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Help me to subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. So now after put my moisturizing, you can see what I'm showing to you people. I hope you guys are seeing it. That place there is a 2 or 3 dark spot there. Yeah, I have about 2. The other one is going small now, and the other one also, that too also is fading, but still I can still see it in my face. I can still see that dark spot, so I'm working on it. So if you also have dark spot and you are looking for a way to treat it, then these are the simple ingredients that you need to do. What you need to use it for yourself, okay? Use for your face. So honey also is locking the moisture. Honey is having vitamin B2, vitamin B3, B5, B6, okay? So these things, adding it in your routine is another level. It's also having potassium, zinc and calcium when that is honey, okay? So I know what I'm doing because I know the benefit that these things is having. That is why I say no, I have to add it to my routine to get the benefit that it's having. So I'm still massaging my face after finish washing my face. I'm still doing my massaging. So this mask or this cleanser or this remover is brightness, okay? It's brightening your dark spot, cleaning the problems that make your skin tone it's not glowing or disturbing your skin tone, it's removing it. So while you are using it, but mind you guys, everything consistency is the key. Don't do something one day and you are expecting that thing to work as the magic for you. Always do consistency. I have patience for everything. I'm doing DIY things, also showing the natural ways, how to remove your dark spot, how to glow your skin, how to look beautiful without spending a lot of money, without spending too much. So that is what I'm doing here. If this video sound like something that you want, please subscribe. You see, my daughter, because of today I didn't put the camera, she's not the one taking the video. She wants to say bye bye and see what I'm doing. So please, if this video sound like something that you want, try to do was support me by liking and sharing. Thank you very much. You see my dark spot. Bye bye.